In this video, I want to show you how to use one of the AI models available on Power Platform to streamline the recruitment process in your organization. Think about a situation where you are one of the team members of the HR team and you're involved with going through, multitude of documents submitted online for a given job role has been advertised. And sometimes this can be very, very daunting, right? So with this model, you can kind of, map out the key information you want to look out for, extract them from the documents submitted, let's say the resumes, and they have them filled up into a table. So you're going to see all that being done here in this video. So we're going to be using Power Automate to show you how this whole stuff works. And if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, like, and turn on that notification bell so you can get notified whenever I put up some more amazing content like this. My name is Peter, and let's dive right into it. So we're now in here in the environment, and we're gonna come over here first to the AI hub. We click on the AI models. I want to come to the document and extract information from the document. In here, I'm going to create a custom model. It always takes some few seconds to load up, so you just have to wait for it to do its thing, and you should be in soon. Now, you can check out what this is like. Over here is a fixed template. So if you have like a fixed template where you want to extract information from, this method works with it best. But in this case, we want to take out the general document. It could be any kind of document, right? So we'll click on next. Now in here, I want to create fields, right, where we can extract this information into. So since it's going to be a CV, right, we want to get the applicant's name, it's going to be a text field. We want to get their phone number, we want to get the email, and we want to get their years of experience. We also want to get their technical skills. And lastly, we want to get their qualification. So it depends on what you're looking out for, all right? So you just build what you would need. So once we're done, we can click on next to go up to the next stage. And in here, we can add the sample document we can use to train this model. Now, we are required to add at least 5 different document samples for this to work properly. That is required, and we're just going to come over here and click on new. And the collection and document. I've come over here to ChatGPT to generate some random CVs and have it copied to Google Docs and save as a normal PDF file, and that's what I'm using in here. So I'm gonna mark them out and open, wait for it to upload. Yeah, it's currently uploading. We're gonna have to give it some time. That was fast. Yeah, done. and we're going to click the next. And here in this stage, we're going to go to the document to map out the information we want to extract from the CVs, right? And then map them to these fields we've created here. So we're going to get started with the applicant's name. I'm going to highlight that. And that's the applicant's name. Next to the applicant's phone number. Oops, I think I have an issue with this square bracket here, but I won't have that into that right now because it's going to take up some time. Maybe go back to edit the CV, take that out, and just leave it to give it out a square bracket. Next time, we're going to take up the email. Don't have the same issue for the email. The square bracket is coming in. There's no way we can, kind of take it out. Unless I go back to within the document. And years of experience, was it mentioned here? Yep, it's 5 years. It shouldn't be copying the plus. See, here's one difficult. We'll zoom in help mode. Let's see if it does. It doesn't. It does. I think that's that fuck with the other guys too. It's still 5 years plus. It didn't work. It didn't work. Take it out and try again. Still 5 years plus. It didn't work. So I don't have to go back to normal zone. So technical skill. So let's see. Here they are. All right. We are going to quite a lot of stuff to take out from here. Yeah. Why didn't you take that part? So I might do that again. Let's do that again. Yeah, now I can add it to the technical skill section and qualification. Right. Let's see. I don't know if you should. It depends on the recruiter, right? You can't tell people to go with the formal, education and degree and all that kind of stuff, or they just want these certifications that shows, they have some form of hands-on experience on the tool they're going to be using for, the job role. So in this case, I'm considering this, the Microsoft certifications, and I'm going to add in there to qualifications. With that, we're done with the first document. We're going to move on to the next one. We go the name again, phone number, get the email, get the years of experience. Get a technical skill. We get the qualifications. Where do we go? Let's see. Let's reach down to the next page. Is that going to be a problem? Oh boy. Okay, I think there's a way that works. I want to select the last word. first. And this is the last word. Let's go to the next page unless it's within this range. Let's just go with that. So what if it was an actual person trying to apply for this job? Is it going to leave out? Let's see if this works. This should work. It still work. I guess we're gonna stick with that. So let's move to the next one. So wait for it to save up. It's open. We go with the name again. Phone number. Email. We'll go with the years of experience. Technical skills. It doesn't have to be the same structure, right? It's always going to use different structures of CV. But in this case, since I had generated this from ChatGPT, I think they all have some sort of similarities. We move on to qualifications. I like that, and move to the next one, the fourth CV. And then we start with the name, phone number, email, years of experience, technical skills. Let me not add everything in this one. Right. Qualification, I could just pick out one of them. Move on to the next one, which is the last one for training. Name, got the phone number, email, words, email, years of experience. When it comes to technical skill, let me just pick this guy only. And in qualification, we want the app maker. So once that's done, we can click on next. I need to change this name here. CV processor. Resume. Is it resume or rename? And then once we're in the final stage here, we can train. Give it some time to do its thing, and then from here, saying it's going to take around maybe 20 minutes. And then I can go to models. We have it over here, right? It's still training. We have to wait for it to get done before we can do anything on it. So we're just gonna give it some time and let it do its thing. As you can see now, but it is fully trained, right? And trained. So we can jump right into it. We'll see what it looks like. Here we can see all the fields we've created and mapped out data from here into, and where we can use this model. I'm going to give it a quick test to see how it works. A Big John. Open. Wait for it to do its magic and see what result it gives. Yeah, so they have everything mapped out, the name and everything, coming out just how we had mapped them earlier on. So think about, when you are in a position where you have hundreds of documents sent to you, this makes it very, very easy for you to go through the document and pick out just the needed information. Sorry, I'm going to close this now and publish the model. Wait for it to get done publishing before we move over to Power BI. Okay, Homework is ready to, it's ready for use, right? So first thing first, you should know we have created the table here where this information extracted will be taken to. What did I call that table again? That was job candidate. Yeah, there you have it. Can open it up and see the fields that have been created. They look quite similar to the ones we used in the model. Name, phone, email. This is also supposed to be here. Hide that if you want. Text skill, years of experience, qualification, and experience of editing. Really add this there. Something you just want to take note when you're creating your model. Just make sure you take care of every field that will be important to you or useful to you. So we are heading over to Power Automate. So in here on Power Automate, we're going to come over to this section, solution, because I want to add this flow in the same solution as I did in the first flow we created in the other video regarding AI models. If you can recall, if you haven't watched that video, go check it up there. It's gonna pop up there, so you just click on that the stuff. It's gonna take you there so you can see what I'm talking about. We are going to click on the AI models demo, create a new cloud flow. I'm gonna wait for it to come up. And to be called, I just resume reader. I've done this before, so these names are kind of coming up through suggestions. And we'll pick this trigger here. It could be any data source, right? It could be using, let's say, SharePoint list. It's up to where your data source is. You find the right trigger for it and use that. In this case, you want it to be triggered when a row is modified, because we're using the 2 steps form. And the table is going to be initial applications. The scope is going to be organization, and next we want to download the file. Download the file or image. The same table, job applications. Row ID is always going to be the unique identifier, like we did in the other video. It's up there. If you haven't watched it, go check it out. Column is going to be the CB column, and next we're going to use our AI model, the one we trained prior to coming to Power Automate. So extract information from document. That's the model we want to use, and here we can see that CB processing model we created earlier on, and the font type is going to be a PDF document, and I want to pick the file. Hold up, before we go further, I want to make sure I include this here full. If you recall in that video, in the first video we made about AI models using the ID stuff, we have some issues when we failed to put this full stuff written here. So now that that's done, we can write the extracted information into our table. Table is going to be job candidate. In here, we can start filling up our info. Pick the applicant's name. We can find it. Look for the applicant's name. Yep. Here we're gonna pick out the email and fill the phone number. We go into get the qualifications. Gonna key in the technical skills, and lastly, years of experience. I don't know why this is coming as a page number. I don't understand why that is. Let's see, years of experience. Value, yes, that's what we needed. So I'm going to save. Still saving. It's taking up some time. I mean, you have to be patient with this stuff. Why is it taking so long? Hold up. Client's request aborted. What happened? Could there be a connection issue? Oh, since I've had something like this before, it's kind of causing some problems. Maybe I should change the name. Let's give it some more time. It still failed, so we're going to change this to something else. Let's say resume slow. See if that is going to solve our problem. Okay, now we're good to go. I think it had to do with the name issue. I think I recently had the flow I deleted, and it kind of caused some problems there. So we're going to test this flow now. Click on test and head back to our form to create a new record. So we're going to call it, this should be John. So going for the PowerApps developer role. It will be designed differently, right? It will be designed differently to reflect whatever it is you're trying to do. We're going to pick John there and submit, and come back here to see how it goes. Wait to run. There we have it. Our flow ran successfully. We see that the name has been extracted, the email, and every other thing has been extracted. So we're going to go over here to our table, the job candidates table, just to see how the whole thing looks like in the So here, the last one was John. We had their emails coming first. Okay, just want to drag this to be the first. The name was John. There's a lot of Johns here. What John was on the flow? Sorry. Come in here. It was John Anderson, right? Okay, let's run one more flow. So I'm gonna go back. And enter soft here. PowerApps developer. Let's trying to pick a different name. We haven't had a table, so yeah, we can work with this one. Open it up and submit. Wait for the flow to run. And come right over here and refresh our data to see if we have software in the what's going on. Yep, the flow recently ran 20 seconds ago. So let's see if what we are expecting has arrived. Yeah, there we have it. The software Michelle is given there already. So that will be all for this video, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this one. If you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and like, and also turn on the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I put up some more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you around.